Hello everyone. Let us discuss some previous year questions. So already in the last video we discussed from the question number 91. Actually this is the first video from the question number 70 onwards. So before 70 those are practice questions. So for those I will share the PDF and remaining previous questions we will discuss. Okay. So first one, question number 70. How many 4-digit numbers are there in the Hindu-Arabic numeration system? So in the Hindu-Arabic numeration system, how many 4-digit numbers? So 4-digit numbers starts from 1000 and the last 4-digit number is 4 nines, right? 9999. So here the question is how many are there? So generally, 0 to 10,000 means 10,000 number. 0 to 9,999 means 9,999 numbers. But we want only 4-digit numbers. So you have to take the difference. Okay. Here we are taking the difference means we are getting 8,999. But we should include here we subtracted. So we have to, out of these 9,999 we subtracted this one. So we have to add that one also. So totally 9,000. So how many 4-digit numbers are there between how many 4-digit numbers are there means totally 9,000. Okay. Next question number 71. So here how to read this number. So here you have to keep the commas. Then we can identify how to read. Okay. So the number is here 407928. So we should read either in Indian system or international system. So you have to keep the comma first. Let us verify in Indian. So after 3 digits, again after 2 digits, like thousands and 10,000, then we can get 4,07,928. So if it is in any option, we will get the answer. So 4 lakh. See option 3, 4 lakh 79 it is given, but it is not. 4,07,000. 4,07,000 which option? If you notice 4,07,928. So option 2 is the answer. Okay. Next 72. In the following which is the greatest number? So here options are given. You should verify the which is greatest. So for that each option we have to calculate. So option 1. So 2 plus 2 whole square again whole square. So here 2 plus 2. Let us verify first option. 2 plus 2 whole square again whole square. Means 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square again whole square. So 4 square means that is 6. 4 square it is 16. 16 whole square which is 256. So the first option what we got 256. Again let us see second option. What is second option? 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 3 2s are there. So 6. 6 square means 36. Next third option is what? Option 3. So option 3 is 4 square. Option 3 is 4 square. 4 square means that is one option we got 256, another option we got 36, and the next one is 16. So you no need to check that. Already it is a small number. The last option is 2 into 2 into 2 means 8 square means 64. So out of the 4 options only we got 256 for the first option. So option 1 is the greatest. So option 1 is the greatest. Next one. A teacher asked in a class to represent 1 by 8 which among the following is incorrect. Here we need to identify incorrect. So first one, let us verify what is 1 by 8. How we will get the 1 by 8? See, one part should be shaded and remaining not shaded. So this is 1 by 8. And this one also we can say 1 by 8. But option 1, if you notice, 2 parts are shaded. So this is not for 1 by 8. So here we need to identify incorrect. So the answer is incorrect we need to identify. So incorrect means we'll get option 1. Next 74 question. So here there are 2 symbols they have given. Those 2 symbols let us take each one as X. So let us take each one as X. Then X, so totally how many are there? So this here they given 2 parts is 3 by 4 of a unit. So 3 by 4 of a unit means X let us take. Totally here 2 parts are there, right? Those 2 parts are equals to 3 by 4 of X. So 3 by 4 of X. Okay. Now we have to find what is 1 and half. So here what is 1 and means 1 and half of x value we should find. So to find that we have to know what is x. Here the question is two parts they have given. These two symbols are represented as 3 by 4 of a unit. 3 by 4 of a x is these two parts. So these two are represented. Now the question is what is 1 and half. So what is 1 and half means 1 and half of x we have to find out. So we have to find x first. So x into 3 by 4. So this is into. So if it is going that side, it becomes 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Okay. Then x is what? 2 into 4, 8 by 3. So multiplication of fraction means numerators multiply, denominators multiply. So x is equals to 8 by 3. Now what is our question? 1 and half of x. 1 and half of x means 1 and half into this x value. So 1 and half, how to convert this fraction into mixed fraction? How we will convert into? So here we have to multiply and then add 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. So 3 by 2. This is into x value is what? 8 by 3. Now we can cancel here, right? So 2 1s, 2 4s. So 3 get cancelled. So finally the 1 and half of x value is what is answer? Answer 4. Okay. So this is question number 74. Next. So 75. Let us see question number 75. 75 was not there, right? So 75. Okay, 76, 77 onwards questions are there. Just a minute. So now let us see question number 75. So the number is given, round off to nearest 1000. So we discussed nearest 1000. Let us discuss once what is nearest 1000, nearest tens. Okay, so nearest concept we need to discuss once. So nearest tens, let us see first. So there is a number, so 253, another number 367. So to find the nearest tens, we have to observe the units digit. If the units digit is less than 5, you need to take the nearest 10 as keep 0 here, means 250. If the units digit is greater than 5, then for before digit you add 1 and there you have to keep 0. Then that the nearest 10 is 370. So that is nearest tens. Let us take one more example. So 2724, another number 7698. Again same question, nearest tens. So nearest tens means, see here, units digit is less than 5. So what we need to do? Keep it as 0. So 2720 is the nearest 10. If it is greater than 5, so before digit you have to add 1 and there you need to keep 0. Then nearest 10 is 7600. So 98 means here we will get, so plus 1 if you add means 0, it becomes 7, right? So here we will get 7700 only. Okay, this is nearest tens. So nearest 10 means we notice units digit. Nearest 100. Nearest 100 means nearest 100. Now let us see nearest hundreds. Suppose nearest 100 we will take. So 2743 or 48. So here nearest 100. Again previously we noticed units place. 100 means we have to observe tens place. So we need to observe tens place is less than 5. Less than 5 means there you need to keep 0. So 2700. If it is greater than 5, another example. 6785 something. Then it is greater than 5. So this number is greater than 5. So what we have to do is for 10, before digit we add plus 1 and then remaining zeros. So same thing here. So 6800. So for 6785, nearest 100 is 6800. Okay. So this is nearest 100. So tens means units place. 100 means tens place. Next what it is? 1000 means what is the digit we have to consider in a tens place before what is that hundreds place. So we should consider before digit hundreds. So nearest 1000. So nearest 1000 means hundreds place we have to see. So this is another number. Okay, now let us see what is nearest 1000. So nearest 1000 of this number. So now we have to verify hundreds place. So less than 5. Less than 5 means all zeros. So 6000. If it is greater than 5 means we have to keep plus 1 and remaining all zeros means 8000. So this is the nearest 1000 concept. Okay. So now our question is the number round off to nearest 1000. So nearest 1000 means, so the number we have to write 40. No need to verify. You can see the 1000 means we have to observe the hundreds place. So it is 5. It equals to 5 or greater than 5, same condition. So you need to keep plus 1. So before digit you need to keep, right? So what is the number? 49,532. So here we need to observe this hundreds place. So you have to keep plus 1 and remaining all zeros. So 49 plus 1 means it is 50. Remaining all zeros means 50,000 is the answer. Okay. Next question number 76. The difference between the number 5671 and the number obtained by reversing the digits. So we have to reverse the digits. So what is the number here? 5671. Reverse the digits means, so all this we have to take forward. So 1765. Okay. So 1765. So you have to take the difference of these two numbers. So 11 minus 5, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. And here 15 minus 7, 9. And finally 4 minus 1, 3. So 3906 is the answer. Okay. Option 4. Next, sum of place value of 6 in the numbers. Place value. So place value means again you have to identify in which place, where it is. The thing is you need to question where it is. So 63606. Sum of all place values. Sum you have to take. So it is in units place. So 6 into 1. 6. It is in hundreds place. So 6 into 100. 600. Okay, so next it is 600. And next it is hundreds of the 1000, 10,000. So 60,000. Right? So sum of these 60606. So totally 60,000. Sum of all places, sum 60,606. So option, which option? Option 1. Next, 78. So 19,000, 1900 plus 19 ones. So again you need to add 19,000. So you can add. So first thing is what? 19,000s and 1900. So 19,000 write down and again 1900s. And finally 19 ones. 19 into 1. So you need to add. So 9, 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So it is 1. So it is 20,919. Option 2. That is question number 78. Next, 79. Which of the following is correct? So correct means you need to verify option wise. So what is first option? Predecessor of successor of 1000. Predecessor of what? Predecessor of what? Successor of 1000. Successor of 1000 means, successor means next number. So 1001. Predecessor of that number. So predecessor means before number. So 1001 before number is 1000. So option what is given? 1000. So correct option only they are asking. So first one only we got correct. So you no need to verify the remaining options. If it is multi-correct, you can check. But here our exam is only single correct answers, right? So option 1 is the answer. That is question number 79. Next, 80. Question number 80. In a shop, there are 239 toys. 70 more toys were bought. So first of initially how many toys are there? 239. Again, how many toys were added? 70. So totally now 309, right? Out of the total, 152 toys were sold. So out of 309, how many were sold? 152. 152 were sold. What is the number of remaining? So remaining means you have to subtract this 152. Then what is the answer? 9 minus 2, 7, 10 minus 5, 5, 2 minus 1, 1. So 157 is the answer. But here 157 direct option they did not give. So you need to verify where it is. 239 plus 70 minus 150. This is the step, right? What we did. 239 plus 70 minus 152. Where it is? Option 239 plus 70 minus 152. So option 1 here plus, so not there. So option 3 is the right answer. Plus 239 plus 70 again minus 152. So option 3. So you don't need to calculate also directly. You can stop there. Next question number 81. In the product, the sum of tens digit and units digit is. So you have to find out the product, but generally we will have to find the product. But in this question only units digit we need. So you no need to calculate the complete product. So just you have to stop up to tens and units. So what is the number? 3759 into 9573, right? Here units digit first verify. So 3 into 9, 27. So product 4 digit number, we will get another product. Tens also we need. So we want next number also. So 9 3s are 27. So 27, 7 I kept, 2 left. So 3 5s are, next we have to multiply 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So 1. So these two are enough. Ones and tens are enough. Next number you have to multiply. So before that you have to keep into. So 7 you have to multiply. 7 9s are 63. So 6 you have to keep. Next 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 6 41. So 41 1 you have to write, but this one is not required. Why? Because we need only up to these two only, right? So in the case if you are keeping like this, next with 5 you have to multiply. Means you are taking this number. Third place you are going. So with 5 you no need to multiply. We can stop up to here. Now you have to add these only units place 7. Tens place 7 plus 3, 10 again 1. So that not required. Finally we left with only units and tens digit. Now what is the question? Sum of these two means 0 plus 7, which is 7. So option, where is that option? Option 1. So option 1 is the answer. Okay. Next 82. In which of the following divisions will the remainder be more than the remainder you get when you divide 176 by 3? So you need to do the division first for each question. Remainder be more than the remainder you get when you divide 176 by 3. First you have to divide these 176 by 3. Now let us discuss question number. So we have to do the 82, right? So 82 we have to verify. So for that we need to do first division. 176 you have to divide by 3. You will get the remainder. Okay. So that remainder, what is the question? Will be the remainder more than the remainder. So 176 you have to divide by 3. So more than that remainder, any option is there, you have to verify. So 176 you have to do the division. So 3 5s are 15. So 26. So 3 8s are 24. So remainder what we got? So here remainder we got 2. Now what is the question? So which of that is more? So 174 if you divide, what is the remainder? You need to verify. So 174 you need to do. So 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. So remainder what I got? 2. So same remainder. So this one you can't consider. So next division is what? 175 divided by 3. So is it divisible by 3? Let's verify once. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So you have to divide. It is not divisible by 3. So you can do division. So 3 5s are 15. So 25. So 3 8s are 24. So remainder is 1. So this is also not the. So already option 1, 2 verified. Next we have to go with 2. So those 2 are not. So remainder should be more than 2. Which option you have to check. So option 3 and option 4 you have to verify. So with 2 already it is divisible. So units digit is 6. So it is clearly divisible. So remainder is 0. So no need to verify that. Next with 5 you have to see once. So units digit is 0 or 5 means divisible, but it is not divisible. So you need to do the remainders. 5 3s are 15. So 23. So 5 4s are 20. What is the remainder? 3. But previously what is that? 176 divided by 3 means we got 2. So now 3. So this is the greater. So which option is our answer? Fourth option is our answer. Next, question number 83. E is divided by 567. So this one also we have to do the division. Almost here if you notice, all digits are similar. 5 6 7. Again 5 6 7 5 6 7 3 times it is there. Okay, while doing division here, need to keep the zeros carefully. That's all. So while doing division, first one 567. So 567 means it is 1. So you have to write 567. So 0. Next digit you have to keep down. Then it is smaller. So you have to keep 0. Again next digit you have to keep. That is also smaller. So you need to keep 0. Okay. Now 7 means 1s are 567. So remainder 0, 5 I kept. So this is smaller. So keep 0. Next one more digit I kept. That is also smaller. So keep 0. Again next digit. So 1 you have to keep. Then the remainder is 0. Then what is the question here? We have to find out the quotient. So what is the quotient here? 100, 100, 1. So option 3. Okay. Next. So 84. So 84. How many 1 by 8s? How many means we don't know. So x 1 by 8s are in 1 by 2 in 1 by 2. So how many 1 by 8s means we don't know. So how many 1 by 8s are there in where? 1 by 2. So you have to simplify only. So here 1 by 8 is multiplying. So when you take that side it becomes 8 by 1. So you can cancel 2 1s 2 4. So x is equals to finally option answer for option 2. Okay. This is 84. Next. So 85. The sum of place values of 2 in the given number. Sum of place values means it is face means same value. Place means where it is. It is in tens place. So 20. And next it is in thousands place. So 2000. So sum of means 2020. So option 4. Next, what should be added to the product to get? So what should be added? So we don't know the product. First of all, what is that? 140 into 101. To the product, what should be added? We don't know what we have to add. So let it be x. To get, what we have to get? 14414, right? 14. What is that? What should be added to get 14410? Question number 85, right? 14414. That is 14414. So 14414. So now we have to, what should be added means to this product we have to find. So 140 into 1 1. So remaining 2 zeros. Plus x is equals to 14414. So we want only x. So x plus something is this value. So you need to take that side. Suppose x plus 2 is equals to 10. So x plus how much is 10? 2 is 10. Means 2 plus how much is 10? 2 plus how much? So we don't know. So what we will get? Generally 2 plus 8. So that 8, how we got? 10 minus 2, we got 8. So 10 minus 2 we got, means something we don't know. So that is how much we have to add, means that side you have to take the difference. So similarly here also we have to take the difference. So 14414 minus this one you have to take this 14300. So answer is 414. 414, this is answer. Finally, what should be added to the product? So 101 or 100? What is the question? So here I added 100. I multiplied 100, but here the question is 101, right? So we need to multiply with 100. So 140 into 101 you have to do. So 140 into 101. We need to multiply this. So with 1 means same. With 0 means zeros. Again with 1 means same. So 14240 after addition. So this one will be going that side. This one from where we need to subtract 14414. You have to take 14414 minus what we got? 14240. This difference you need to take 4. 11 minus 4, 7. Next 14140. This is this is 0, right? So 0 1. So 3 minus 1 2. Option 274. So option 2 is the answer. Next question number 87. When this is divided by 12, the remainder, you have to do the division and find the remainder. Just we did division, so you can do the division. Next, how many 1 by 6 are there in a 2 by 3? So you can, similar question just now we did. How many are there means we don't know, let it be x. So in where means that side you can take how many. So let it be x 1 by 6. Or the air in where it is in 2 by 3. So this 1 by 6 you can send that side. So 2 by 3 into 6, right? So 3 1s 3 2s. So x is equals to 2 into 2, 4. Option 3. Next. So this is question number 88. Next, 89. A chocolate has 12 equal pieces. Totally it has 12 equal pieces. Manju gave 1/4 of it to Anju and 1/3 of it to Sujata and 1/4 of it to Fija. The number of pieces chocolate left with Manju. So totally it was divided into 3. It was distributed 3 parts, and finally what you have to, finally leftover parts you need to find. Out of 12, 1/4 Manju given 1/4 to Anju. So 1/4 of 12 means, so 3 parts. So 3 parts. So these 3 are Manju given to whom? Anju. So 3 are over. Again 1/3 of it to Sujata. 1/3 of 12. So 1/3 of 3 1s 3 4s. Means 4 parts also over. To whom? Like Sujata. Yes. Next 1/6 of it to Fija. So 1/6 of 12. So 6 1 6 2. So it is 2. So out of 12 parts, 3 to Anju, 4 to Sujata and 2 to Fija. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So out of 12, 9 parts were distributed. Remaining leftover parts. So remaining leftover parts means how many? What is the difference you have to consider? So remaining difference you have to consider. So left with 3. Okay. Next. So that 90th question. So 91 onwards we discussed in next video. So up to 90 we'll discuss here. So the difference of place value and place value of a number. So here the thing is place value and face value. So what is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12,345. Place value and place value of the number 3, that is. Okay, the number 3. The reference and place value of 3. So 3 is in which place? 300. So hundreds place it is 300. Face value means what? Same number. So 3. So the answer is 297. So option 4 is the answer. Okay. So these are all previous questions from 2011 to 2016. So 2011 to 2016 previous questions were discussed in the 2 videos, and some more additional practice questions I will attach in the video as a PDF. So you can practice more from those.